Welcome you student. Today we shall continue our class. Today we are going to discuss type 5 problems of pairs of linear equation with two variables. So let's start our class. Here question is a railway half ticket cost and full fares and the reservation charges of sum of half tickets on full tickets are there is a something. Suppose this is a railway tickets and railway impose some ticket charges, something ticket charges, suppose 10 rupees, and we have to reserve our seat, and railway charge that reservation charges is something, suppose 4 rupees. So what will be the total cost of the that ticket? That ticket will be 14. Here question is we are going to reserve our ticket and railway impose a ticket charges as well as reservation charges both. So we have to reserve a ticket, one ticket reserved from first class ticket from Mumbai to Ahmedabad, and we have to calculate what is the reservation charges of the first class full ticket and their reservation charges. We have to calculate two things: what is the cost of the ticket and what are the reservation charges. Let assume first, let the cost of fare be X and the reservation charges and the reservation charges be Y. We initially assume let the cost of ticket will be X and the railway implies Y rupees on a reservation charge. Now according to condition first, according to our condition first, we have to reserve one ticket. The cost of ticket will be X and railway impose reservation charge Y. The total cost will be what? 216. This is our equation first. Here in question mentioned we have reserved one first class ticket from Mumbai to Ahmedabad. So this cost of ticket will be X and railway impose Y reservation charge. So what will the total cost? Total cost will be 216. I hope condition first is clear to you. Now in condition second, it said, now in condition second we have to book one full ticket, one full and one half ticket. One half ticket. In condition second, what we do, we have to book one full and one half ticket. Clear? One full and a one half ticket. Total ticket will be 3/2. Clear? And cost of half ticket will be what? Cost of one ticket will be X. Therefore cost of half ticket will be what? X/2. I hope up to this stage is clear. Now read the second condition. Second condition said one full ticket will be cost X and they impose reservation charge Y. Clear? And we have to reserve one half ticket and they impose again reservation charge will be Y. In second condition said one full and one half ticket. One full ticket cost will be X and reservation charge will be Y, and we have to book one half ticket. One cost of half ticket will be X/2 and reservation charge will be Y. There implies a cost of 327. Now form the condition: X plus X/2, it becomes 3X/2 plus 2Y is equals to 327. Take an LCM. After taking LCM, this becomes what? 3X plus 4y is equals to, this becomes 14, 5, 6. This is our equation 2. Clear? And solve both equations. Solve equation first and second. We get value of x as well as value of y. You get value of x will be your 210 rupees. It means what cost of one ticket will be 200 and reservation charge will be 6 rupees. This is your required answer. I hope this one is clear to you. Now this is question second. Question said 8 men and 12 boys can finish a piece of work in 5 days, while 6 men and 8 boys can finish it in 7 days. Then we have to calculate, find the time taken, by one man alone and that by one boy alone to finish the work. See what question is said. We have some piece of work. In this work, 8 men and 12 boys. 8 men and 12 boys can do a piece of work, in how many days? 5 days. And while 6 men, same work has been done by 6 men and 8 boys in 7 days. We have to calculate what? One man can finish the work in how many days and one woman can finish the work in how many days. This we have to calculate. See how we solve this question. First assume, let one man alone finish the work in X days. We have to assume one man can finish the work in X days. Same as one boy alone can finish the work in Y days. Clear? Then what we write here? One man, 1 day's work will be what? 1 by X. Same as one boy's 1 day's work will be what? 1 by Y. Therefore, according to question, what condition said? One man can finish a work in 1 by X days. One boy's 1 day's work will be 1 by Y. Then 8 men, 8 into 1 by X plus 12 boys, 12 into 1 by Y. How many days it will finish? One work, 1 by 5 days. Therefore, our equation becomes what? 8 by X, 12 by Y, 1 by 5 is, this is our equation first. Now again, condition second, they can finish 6 men. Again, you write in the same way, 6 by X, and boys will be 8 boy. It can finish in 1 by 7 days. This is our equation 2. Now we can easily solve the equation. After you solve the equation, you get value of x and value of y. Your value of x will be 70 days and value of y will be 140 days. This is our required answers. After solving your both equations, you get that values. I hope this one is clear to you first, but we can discuss here. A two-digit number is such that the product of the digit is 14 when 45 is added to the number then digit interchange. Interchange their place. Then find the numbers. As we know that, first assume let tens place be x and ones place be y. As you know that 10 in two-digit number, we have to assume tens place will be x and ones place will be y. Therefore, our required number is will be what? 10x plus y. I hope this one is clear to you. Now, according to question, condition is said product of digits. Digit is our x and y. Their product xy is equals to 14. This is already given in question. Then from this, what we write here? Y is equals to 14 by x. I hope this one is clear to you. Now again question said when 45 is added, the number of digit will be interchanged. Now 45 will be added, 10x plus y plus 45. This is the required number and we added 45. Digit will be interchanged. But after interchanging this, it becomes what? 10y plus x. Clear? Now collect the terms. This is 10x minus x. This is y, 10y is equals to minus 40y. This is 9x minus 9y is equals to minus 45. Take 9 is common in all, x minus y is equals to minus 45. Therefore, value of x minus y will be what? Minus 5. This is equation 2. I hope this is clear to you. Now see, from first, in a place of y, what we write here? Now, here you have to write from first, x minus y is equals to minus 5. So, from first, what we write? Value of y will be 14 by x, right here. 14 by x equals to minus 5. Now, take as also, it becomes x square, 14x, and this 5 comes here, 5x is equals to 0. This x becomes 0, therefore required equation will be what? X square minus 5x minus 14 is equals to 0. Sorry, plus 5x, 14 equals to 0. Now split the terms. X square 7x minus 2x minus 14 is equals to 0. Take x common. X plus 7 and minus 2 is common. This becomes x minus 7. Sorry, x plus 7. Now collect the terms. This is x minus 2. And this is x plus 7. Therefore, value of x will be what? 2 and minus 7. And if you take substitute here, then again its value comes here. X is minus 7 and y equals to 2. We have to take positive values. Right here, For x y greater than 0, we have to take positive value. Therefore, required number will be what? 10 into 2. Both value we have to take positive one. This becomes 27. The required number will be 27. I hope this one is clear to you.